Members First Signature Rewards Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Sometimes the best rewards cards come from local credit unions. The Members First Signature Rewards Card is a perfect example. This card offers competitive cashback and travel protections with lower interest rates than most national banks. You earn rewards on everyday purchases, plus Visa Signature benefits like travel protection, rental car coverage, and concierge services. There is usually no annual fee, and customer service tends to be more personal and flexible than large banks. If you qualify for membership, this card can deliver premium-level benefits without premium-level costs. Verdict: worth it for local credit union members who want rewards with lower fees.